Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told that the posted weight limit for a covered wooden bridge in Pennsylvania is 6,000 pounds. So any truck going over this bridge has a maximum weight of 6,000 pounds. We're told that we have a delivery truck that is carrying X identical boxes weighing 14 pounds each. It's going to pass over the bridge. And we're also told that the combined weight of the empty delivery truck and its driver is 4,500 pounds. So 4,500 pounds plus the weight of the boxes has to be at most 6,000 pounds. So isolating just the weight of the boxes, we know that the boxes at most can weigh 1,500 pounds. 6,000 minus 4,500 is 1,500. And we're told that we have X identical boxes weighing 14 pounds each. Therefore, the weight of the boxes is going to be X boxes times 14 pounds per box, okay? And this needs to be 1,500 pounds. So therefore, this unit cancels out and we have 14x, and the pounds unit cancels out from both sides, is equal to 1,500. And then just rewriting that up here so we don't run out of space. We're given that 14x is equal to 1,500. So the maximum value of x, if we solve for it, is x on this side, 1,500 divided by 14 is 107.14, and so on. So what does this actually mean for x? Well, x has to be a whole number, right? Because it's referring to a number of boxes. You can't have 0.14 boxes. So we know that 107 is going to be under 1,500 pounds, and 108 is going to be over 1,500 pounds. So what is the maximum possible value of x? Well, it's going to be 107 because 108 is too much. So 107 is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing. I'll see you in the next video.